Nyake County ma Kilifi. Tende County ma Kilifi ochako chenro mar lalruok gi joket mwandu e sekta mar limbe mar medo uso ber mag county no. Sirkal ma Kilifi kokale Gavana mar Gideon Mung'aro olando chakruok mar nyasi mag arus moko mageto ji kodoka mawuok e pinje maoko. Nyasi magikuongo menyo en mano mar arus e piny Uganda. Jokanye sekta mar limbe neno ni chenro makamago biro konyo e chiero uchumi ma Kilifi.
Then we start our program. I want to request all the CCs.
There are a lot of things that can be done, and if you just look at the coastline, there's so many undeveloped plots, So we need to look out and see how we can attract investors to come here, so that they can be able to set up a very beautiful, stretch of resorts like, what's happening around the world.
We're going to showcase to Kenya, to the region, to the world, what Kilifi is made of, and try to speak to as many organizations, as many people as possible, get into as many exhibitions as possible to sell our destination.
But I think we need to work together as hoteliers to make sure we can, when we get such opportunities. Unfortunately, these ones wanted all to be in one hotel, but this is one of the areas we are really looking. The wedding tourism for Uganda is a big thing, if you can take advantage of it. And we're already talking with the ambassador for Uganda, and we'll have a big exhibition. And I invite all of you to participate when we go there.